Hey everyone, it's Lyz-Stephanie here, and today I have a beginner-friendly art tutorial. This is great for when you're bored in a meeting or when you just want to do something creative, when you want to relax, and this is something that anyone can do, and I bet you have all the supplies you need right at home already. Oh, I also wanted to say that, a lot of times when people think about art or being creative, they think that it's like an all or nothing game, that if you're not Picasso or Michelangelo, that you might as well not even bother. And that's simply not true. Everyone can be creative and everyone can benefit from it. So don't be intimidated. We're going to be doing some simple tutorials, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can accomplish some really, some things that you're proud of, hopefully. And if you're not proud of them, then nobody ever has to see them, but you're still going to enjoy the process anyway. So when you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so I definitely got some shadows from this angle, but okay, we're gonna start off with something very simple. And if you don't have markers, you could even do highlighters, especially if you're at work, you probably got some highlighters. Okay? All right, so we're gonna start off with a U shape. Okay, I'm doing this dark, but you can do it light. I recommend always starting off light so that you can erase later on. And we're just gonna make some U's for the bang. A little neck, maybe a little neck and shoulder. Okay, this here is not like gonna win any prizes, but again, this is just sort of a doodle, so you want to keep it loose and easy. Okay, loose and easy. For the eyes, we're literally just gonna do 2 upside down U's. You could even give it a little flick if you want. For the nose, just suggest it. See that? Just a little suggestion. The mouth, we're not spending too much time on this. Again, remember, this is not to get things right, it's just to get things down. Okay, so the next stage here is we're gonna grab our markers. And what we're gonna do is just start making some squigglies. She's gonna be holding a bouquet of flowers right here. So just make some random marks. Okay, and this can be as wide or as little as you want it to be. And I kind of space them out, which means that I'm gonna need to fill them in more. So I'm gonna start making some bigger swatches here. But you'll see it start coming together pretty quickly. And once you have your colors picked out, then you can just really take off. You don't have to be rifling through the whole pack looking for what you want. You can just grab and go. As you can see, like, this is super simple and it's so relaxing. You wouldn't even believe something as simple as this. And I'm gonna stick some green in here to suggest some leaves. Okay. I would actually like this bouquet. It's not bad. And we have like just some little white spaces there. And I'm just gonna go in, I think, with the yellow. And again, some white space is fine. Just do whatever. Just keep working on it until you feel like you're good. Or until the meeting is over. I had every device possible to keep my brain awake during meetings. It consisted of a lot of doodling. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there. You can tell, you can make this thing as big as you want. You could fill up an entire page with this. But what I'm gonna do now is take my black fine point pen and I'm gonna go through and just start suggesting a little bit more that they're flowers. So what I'll do is, let's see, for the purple, I'm just gonna make some squigglies. And you could do the same thing for all of them, or you could do something different for each. Okay. So let's say for these, I'm gonna do a little swirl. Maybe actually a bigger swirl. And for this one, it's hard to be spontaneous while, you know, people are watching you. Let's do some dots. As you can tell, this is stuff that you can do. You can do lines, you can do dots, you can do swirly things. And yeah, let me see. I don't know. I'm out of dots and swirls, so I'll do squiggly things. Okay. And there you have it. What we can do now is maybe suggest some stems. Have her holding some stems there. Maybe a little bow, so you can see it. The black just finishes it off and it allows the drawing to pop. And you can then go and color the hair. You can color the eyelids. Something that I think is so cute with the eyelids is, instead of coloring the entire thing, which can seem a little garish, I like to just put a little swipe at the bottom. So cute. Maybe you could even suggest a mouth here. And once you color in the hair, you can go through, or you don't have to, but you can go through and just trace. And let me tell you something, tracing is, I have discovered recently, one of the most fun, relaxing things you can do. I don't know what it is about tracing. Maybe it's just the mindlessness of it, where you don't have to think because it's already there. And you can just kind of have fun. I love that. Oh, let's get her nose in there. Oh, the last thing that I want to do is actually erase these pencil lines. You don't have to do this, but whatevs. It's just another thing to do. And I just find that just doing stuff with my hands is so much fun, even if it's just looking for lines to erase. You can keep yourself occupied in so many ways. What shall we call her? In memory of my beautiful kitty, we'll call her Daisy. Alright guys, so hopefully you found that I was true to my word. This was super simple. You don't need any special talent, any special skills, or any special supplies. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you like this sort of thing, I hope you follow me in the future, or follow me now, not in the future, follow me now. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Bye!